This is a video for the Allied 30 by 40 or 28 by 37 fixture. This fixture is a little bit special. It is made to be able to hold the larger 30 by 40, which would go on this outer rim of the fixture, or it will also hold on this inner lip of the fixture, the 28 by 37 hoop. That one would lock onto the inside here. Now, all of our jacket back fixtures have to have extra room in the fixture because when you're hooping something thin, there's going to be some extra room in here. This bottom hoop will move around a little bit, but when you need to open this all the way to hoop something thick, then it needs to be able to fit that. And at that point, it would fit a lot more snug or tight in the fixture. But even with this extra play in the fixture, when you hoop, you're going to want to put the bottom ring in. Like with this smaller one, we have to make sure it's locked into this inner ring. Then when we place the top hoop on, we want to push the hoop towards the top of the fixture, or when we hoop, we want to put the bottom side in first and pull towards the bottom. The reason for that is when you push this hoop towards the top or the bottom, the fixture will square up this bottom ring and hold it straight. So as I push this in here, it's pushing it towards the top, and it's holding the hoop straight now with the fixture, which the fixture is straight with the station. So you can check this by putting the hoop in, pushing it towards the top, and then if you measure from the bracket on one side and see what the distance is there, and then you measure on the other side, it should be really close to the same distance from the top of the fixture to the bracket. That way you know your hoop is actually square. So if I'm going to hoop an item, I put my bottom ring in. I would normally put backing material in also. Once that's done, I can pull my garment over the station. And the real key is to get your garment straight with the station. Make sure your lower ring is locked into the correct place. And then when I hoop it, again, I'm going to push towards the top of the station first, or if I want to hoop the other way, I can pull towards the bottom. But you just want to push towards that edge, and that will square the hoop up with your fixture. So once I get this hooped here, if I wanted to check it just to be sure my fixture is square, I can again, I'd still hold the hoop up towards the top, and I'd do that measurement and see that I'm in the same place on both sides. You shouldn't normally have to do that. You just want to make sure your garment is straight with the station, but that would show you how the fixture is actually square.